So you signed up for Credit Genie, and now you're sitting there thinking, how on earth do I cancel this subscription? Let me walk you through it step by step, because if you are anything like me, you probably tried clicking around for a good 10 minutes and found absolutely nothing helpful. First, let's talk about why you want to cancel. Maybe you tried it, you didn't like it. Maybe you realized you're paying yet another monthly fee on top of 5 other subscriptions you forgot you even had. Or maybe, and this is my favorite, you literally do not remember signing up, but your bank statement says otherwise. Whatever the reason is, you are not stuck. You can cancel. You just have to know where to look and what to say. So here is exactly how you cancel your subscription with Credit Genie. Before you do anything, grab 3 things. Your email address that you used to sign up, your phone, and your last bank statement or your last Credit Genie charge, if you can see it, because it has the date and the amount they billed you. Now, let's start with the most common way people manage subscriptions today, which is through the app. If you signed up using the Credit Genie app on your phone, you want to open that app right now. Log in with your email and password. If you forgot your password, tap on Forget Password and reset it using your email. Do not skip this part because you need to be inside your account to actually cancel cleanly. Once you are logged in, look for something like Settings, Profile, Account, or Membership. Different apps like to hide the cancel button behind cute little icons, so check the top right corner, check the bottom navigation bar, check any menu that looks like 3 little lines or a little gear icon. Inside your account or settings, look for words like subscription, billing, plan, membership, premium, or manage plan. That is usually where they put the cancel option. If you see a button that says manage subscription, view plan, upgrade, or something similar, tap that. If there is an option that says cancel, end membership, downgrade, stop subscription, or turn off renewal, tap it. The app will probably ask, "Are you sure?" or tell you your plan will remain active until the end of your billing period. Confirm that you want to cancel. Go through every confirmation screen. Do not stop halfway when they start asking why you are leaving. You can just choose something like too expensive, not useful, or I no longer need it. Then finish the cancellation. Once you see any message that says your subscription has been canceled or your subscription will not renew, take a screenshot. Yes, take a screenshot. You want proof. Just in case they try to charge you again, you have evidence. Now, not everybody signed up directly through the Credit Genie app. Some people accidentally signed up using Apple or Google through the App Store, and that is a little different. So let's talk about canceling Credit Genie if you subscribed using your Apple ID on an iPhone or iPad. If you are on an iPhone, go to your settings. Tap on your name at the very top, then tap on Subscriptions. Wait for it to load. You will see a list of active subscriptions. Scroll until you find Credit Genie. Tap on Credit Genie. Then tap Cancel Subscription. Confirm that you want to cancel. Again, it might say it will stay active until the end of the billing period. That is fine. After that date, they should not charge you anymore. Once again, take a screenshot of the cancellation page showing that you canceled. I am serious. Screenshots save headaches. Now, if you are on Android and you subscribed through Google Play, here is what you do. Open the Google Play Store app. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account, the one you used when you signed up. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Then tap on Subscriptions. Look for Credit Genie in that list. Tap on it. Then tap Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts and confirm the cancellation. Again, take a screenshot of the screen that shows it is canceled or that it will not renew. So that covers 3 big paths. Number 1, canceling directly inside the Credit Genie app. Number 2, canceling with Apple subscription. Number 3, canceling with Google Play subscriptions. Now, let's say you tried all of that and you are still stuck. Maybe you cannot log in. Maybe your account email is old. Maybe you do not even have the app installed anymore and you do not remember your password. Or you checked your Apple and Google subscriptions and Credit Genie was not even in the list, but your bank is still getting charged. In that situation, it is time to contact support directly and put things in writing. Here is the strategy. First, open your email. Compose a new email to the support address for Credit Genie. If you do not know the support email, you can usually find it on their website under Contact Us, Help, Support, or at the bottom of the site in the footer. Look for something like support at their domain. Whatever the exact address is, send the email there. In the subject line, write Request to cancel subscription and stop future billing. In the body of the email, keep it simple and very clear. Say something like this, and feel free to repeat these words exactly. Type, Hello, I am requesting to cancel my Credit Genie subscription and stop all future charges to my account. Then say, the email associated with my account is, and put the email you used. Then say, the last charge I see on my bank account is for, and put the amount, and the date from Credit Genie. Then write, please confirm in writing that my subscription is canceled and that no further charges will be made. Then type your full name at the bottom. That is it. Send that email. Save a copy of it or star it or move it into a folder called subscriptions or something like that. Now, in addition to email, if they have a help center chat, phone number, or tech support on their site or inside the app, use that too. Remember, you want a clear message from you saying, cancel my subscription, stop all future charges, and you want them to confirm. If you speak with someone on chat, here is the script you can literally paste. Type, Hi, I want to cancel my Credit Genie subscription and stop any future billing. The email on my account is, then enter your email. Please confirm my subscription is now canceled and that I will not be charged again. If they try to offer you a discount, a pause, or a downgrade, stay firm. Just repeat, thank you, but I want to fully cancel and stop all future charges. Please confirm my cancellation. Repeat that as many times as needed until they say, your subscription has been canceled. Now, once they confirm, either by email or chat, do not just trust it and disappear. Make sure you keep that confirmation. Screenshot it or save the email. Tag it as important. The next step is to watch your bank account. On your next billing date, check if any new Credit Genie charge appears. If no charge appears, you are good. If a charge does appear after you canceled, then it is time to escalate. If they still charge you after you canceled, you have 3 moves. Move number 1. Reply to that same support email and write, I canceled my subscription on, then include the date, and I was still charged on, then include the new charge date and amount. Please refund this unauthorized charge and confirm that future charges are stopped. Attach your screenshots or re-forward the original cancellation confirmation if you have it. Move number 2. Contact your bank or your card provider. Explain that you already canceled the subscription, you have proof, and the company is still charging you. Ask your bank to block or dispute the charge. Depending on your bank policies, they might credit you back while they investigate. Banks deal with subscriptions every day, so you are not alone here. Move number 3. Log into your bank app and see if there is an option to block that merchant or that specific recurring charge. Some banks allow you to turn off recurring payments directly from your banking app. If your bank supports that, use it. Turn off any future charges from that merchant. Now, let's zoom out for a second, because there is a bigger lesson here about any subscription, not just Credit Genie. Whenever you sign up for any financial, credit, or money-related service, always write down 3 things on the day you sign up. First, the company name. Second, the email you used. Third, the billing date and amount. You can put it in your calendar with a reminder 1 or 2 days before they renew. That way, if you decide the service is not for you, you remember to cancel before they bill you again. Back to Credit Genie specifically. Let's quickly recap the full cancellation plan in a fast checklist style so you have it all in one mental snapshot. Number 1, try to cancel inside the Credit Genie app. Log in, go to Settings or Account, find Subscription or Billing, hit Cancel, Confirm, and Screenshot. Number 2, if that does not work or you do not see a cancel button, check if you subscribed through Apple on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap your name, tap Subscriptions, tap Credit Genie, tap Cancel Subscription, Confirm, and Screenshot. Number 3, if you are on Android and used Google Play, Open Google Play Store, tap your profile, tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, tap Credit Genie, tap Cancel Subscription, Confirm, and Screenshot. Number 4. If you are still being billed or you cannot log in, email Credit Genie support with a clear written request to cancel and stop all future charges, including your account email, recent charge date, and amount. Ask them to confirm cancellation in writing. Number 5. Use chat or phone support if available and repeat the same message. I want to cancel my subscription and stop all future charges. Please confirm. Number 6. Save all confirmation messages and screenshots. Do not delete them. Keep them at least until you are absolutely sure you are no longer being charged. Number 7. If they charge you again after cancellation, email them back, attach proof, ask for a refund, and then contact your bank to dispute or block the charge if necessary. If you followed those 7 steps, you are not powerless. Companies count on people being confused or too busy to go through the cancellation process. But once you know the playbook, you are actually in control. Also, here is a little mindset shift. You are not being annoying by canceling. You are not being difficult by asking for proof. You are simply protecting your money and your peace of mind. If a service is good and truly helpful for you, you will stay. If it is not, you are absolutely allowed to leave. So if you are listening to this right now and thinking, I will do it later, try not to procrastinate. Open your phone, find Credit Genie, and start the cancellation process while this is still fresh in your mind. It usually takes just a few minutes once you know where to tap and what to say. And if you are worried that you might mess it up, just remember these key phrases, and you can literally repeat after me to support or in your email. Say, I want to cancel my Credit Genie subscription. Stop all future charges to my account. The email on my account is, and then your email. Please confirm my cancellation in writing. That is it. Short, clear, and to the point. So, to wrap this up, you now know how to cancel through the app, how to cancel through Apple subscriptions, how to cancel through Google Play, how to cancel directly with support, and what to do if they still charge you. You have the words, you have the steps, and you have the strategy. Now it is your turn. Go save that money, take back control of your subscriptions, and never feel stuck paying for something you do not want again. And if this helped you, remember there are probably a bunch of people out there staring at their bank statement right now, wondering why they are being charged and how to cancel. So share what you learned. Help somebody else get out of a subscription they do not need. Thanks for listening, and good luck canceling your Credit Genie subscription.